Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a little adventure fishing video today for you guys. And I just can't believe what I'm about to show you. So, this pond you guys should definitely know. I have fished it a few times, caught some fish. It's been some of my videos. But, here's the crazy part. See that grass down there in the water? That grass? I stand on that. I stand on these rocks. I stand along this edge way more. We had some crazy rain in this pond. All the road water drains into this pond. And honestly, the fish should be fired up. I got some lures. Got the fluke tied on right now. We're gonna get down on this pond and we're gonna try to catch as many fish as we can while this pond's at this high of level. Now, there are drains. Those drains actually are the ones that make the water go in. Right now, they're actually having the water go out. The pond across the street too is also high on water. Now, I brought a couple different top waters. I brought a whopper plopper and a frog because that's kind of like what I need with the seaweed. And then I brought a ton of, pretty much probably my entire stash of soft plastics, including some big boom baits. So, I mean, we're going to get down on this. Let's do this. Usually, I usually have a spot or my tripod, but this was kind of a last minute video. That's why it's an adventure and not like an actual type of challenge. And also, usually, I have a lot more ground to stand on. No, that is all limited for me today. So, whatever. I'm sorry if this is not the best. Going back to some of my original videos. But, makes sense of what this is. Got my saltwater reel because it has braided line and it was already rigged up on this rod. So I'm just figured I'd bring a frog because that makes sense with braid. And I got whopper plopper tied on. Feel like top water. It is evening time. I'm not sure how the fish are going to react to it. But we're going to try to catch some fish. High water. Like, I'm literally seeing fish where I usually see. I honestly don't really know where to cast or anything. I'm just going to go off of what I see. Hoping we catch one. If we can catch a fish, I'll be happy. I've attempted 3 different videos that are somewhat in the works right now. We want to hit every spot we can. That's it. Starting it off. There's some. Okay, now we might catch a jink or we could catch like a 6-pounder. This is the newest pond in my neighborhood, recently formed, and it's got some big fish. At the end of the video, I'll pop up some pictures. I have a fish in here. And, yeah. But I have no idea where to cast. Like, usually I do. I do, but I'm just trying to make sense of it. Now we've got, I can't remember if it's 25 or 35 pound braid. I think it's 35. Now, there's some people where my favorite little cove, which is the other end of the pond, but that's where the whopper plopper action is. So right now, I think we're going to stick to the sinking baits on the deeper end. Then we'll put in top water into good use on the other side. I have no idea what to do. I've said it a few times already, and I still don't know what to do. Like, I found this out. I knew the water was high because my friends were talking about it, but I didn't know it was, like, it might be 3 feet high, maybe even higher. Like, it might be 3 to 4 feet high. My best guess off the lip street. Like, I'm kind of wanting to cast in a few areas. I know that this could work. Number one, the fountain that makes a lot of noise, and kind of in the middle of the beach area. Kind of like the only 2 areas I want to target. Ooh. We can get a fish. I'll be happy, honestly. Like, no idea what. Oh, fish jump. Ooh, I'll get that. Bite it. Think you do bluegill? That's a big bluegill this time. I'm gonna kind of move down. We'll come back to the spot probably. But I just want to hit every spot we can. I'm not. Like, the quicker we hit the spot, and if we don't get any bites out of any of it, we're just gonna move. Oh, sorry. Doing this without a tripod. I'm doing the best I can. Okay, we're gonna hit. So if you can see, we were just over here. Now we're gonna hit like right past the fountain. This is where we'll probably start to hit top water a little more. That cove back there, that's what we want to see. I'm sorry if you didn't see the cove, I'm trying. Just kind of set it up. Like so. No, I don't want you guys trying. Oh, these YouTubers got chest straps and all that crap. You know what I have? A tiny little tripod and a phone. So, subscribe. Help me try to make some money so I can get some of that. Or better. Wow. I can launch this off the popper. Yeah. I think a person just left and they left trash, which I hate. I hate people about doing that. But we might even get some money here. Money is rough. No, let's go in the cove. I know. I said I want to hit the spot. We will. Harder. I just want to hit that cove. That cove always has bass. It just does. Everybody knows it. If you're in my neighborhood, everybody knows it. Being prime bottles, you kidding me? Yo, somebody just leaves their rod? Everything? People just left every piece of equipment they have. There's people around. It might be there. I don't know. I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to hit this cove right now. How's that? This is where I want to hit the popper the hardest. Yeah, they literally left everything there. hook? No, I don't have any
Push
hook.
it out.
Sorry.
Alright.
Honestly, there's a lot of people here, bro. I might just submit with the water plopper, honestly, because water ploppers are great. Top water open water fish or walking bait and stuff. The one other top water I brought was a frog, and there's not. I don't think that there's no food. There's definitely enough structure and stuff. I could probably get them going, but. Huh?
Oh, is that a DC that you have in the back next to there?
No.
And DC?
No.
I got one.
Ooh. Some guy just has 5 of DC. No, can't afford it. Sorry. But I'm launching these big across the pond. Like I am flinging. I'm not too. Honestly, I haven't had a chase yet. Ooh, wait, ooh, into that drain. Okay. This is just an Amazon brand Wildfin Plopper that's performing great. I've gotten a few fish on it and it's so sold. But if you guys would like to see me go to Bass Pro and buy one of every type of bait, like my best recommendation of one of every type of bait, we do like hard bait, deep diving, shallow diving hard baits. We'll do like best soft plastic. If you guys want to see that, get this video to 1,000 likes, or no, not 1,000. It's gonna be impossible. Get it to 200 likes. 100 likes. Yeah, go like. Guys, switch to our fluke bait. If you guys want a recommendation right now, well, don't make you have to like. Flukes are one of the best soft plastics you can use. Probably something over here. Got one. Got one on the fluke. Wow. Oh, little ding. Little ding. But hey, that's a fish. That's a good fish for a bite with the conditions this pond is in. That's nice fish. I mean, probably not a pound or anything. Might be a good amount of ounces, but I gotta get my pliers. He's double hooked. That's my problem. With the conditions this pond is in, I mean, holy cow! I'm surprised we caught a fish. Got it. Nice little fish. I mean, not terrible. Not too big of a ding. Not a bad fish. Let's get him back. Here, just get him right in there. There he goes. Let's go, guys. Fish one. Got a fish on the fluke. That was a bait I expected to get something. That was my first bite of the day, too, and it was a hookup. That's awesome. Oh, crap. I mean, not terrible at all. What did my fluke? Here's what I did. I mean, I barely did anything with the fluke. I casted it out. I did a couple little like twitches on it to make it twitch, and I killed it, and it just bit. That's awesome.
Get on the bank. Get your ass on the... Hey, you want to go inside? I'm going to go inside. Wait! Wait! I caught you again. You caught a fish. I caught another one. Look at the line. Oh, stop. Is it the same one? It's colder. Oh God! What the fuck? Picking up the freaking fish.
Hey guys, we are. Oh, I thought I just saw that. Fish one on the fluke. Now let's commit to some top water a little hard.
Get the freaking fish away from me. Put the fish back in there. I'm not.
Man, bomb cast. Put the fish back in the water before it dies.
fish there. I did it. That's the target.
This guy across from us is about to kill every fish there is in this pond if he keeps catching all these.
Got it. You. Don't get that away. I want to see the weird freaking fish. Hey, get that away. Hey, Jeremy, come on. Get back here. I know what you're saying. Oh my God, now bring that fish.
Put the fish in the water. Put the fish in the water.
I found it. Don't let it go for a fucking minute. There, in the water.
I'll try to take that fish inside. Yell. God, people suck. Not you guys. You guys are the best. People suck that try to kill fish. Unless you're eating it, but you would just bring it inside. You just won't die. But you guys are the best. Okay. Okay, what should we do? Should we move spots? Yeah, it's been a minute. Let's move. Actually, you guys are going to go right there while I pack all this up. See you guys at the next spot. Okay, guys, new spot. A little bit over from here. Still can hit the cove if we want. Or hit over here. Double area, but we are right in the sun. Which does suck, but you know what? It's okay. We're just trying to make a little video best we can. Without any equipment, without anything. Just 2 fishing rods. Gosh, big blow up right in front of me. Not in front of my lure, just in front of me like that. Come on, bite it. Wow. How awesome this water softer is. Getting no attention. Okay, honestly. That spread out. That's no spot. There's nothing here. Let's move. Next spot. Okay, guys, we are in our final spot up top, as you can tell. Ton of geese passing by. Gotten some bites. Trying to give you a sense of the video. Guys, Big Boom Baits video coming soon. I only have one video right now. I filmed a couple remelts. That will be, well, my remelts will be my most recent videos before this. And they should just be called remelt. Holy cow, guys, I'm about to lost my rod. Worst backlash. Holy crap, I about to lost my rod. And now I have a wet rod. Oh. Holy cow, I about to lost my stuff. The worst backlash, and I just respooled this. Oh, guys, that was a crazy one. I mean, caught a bass. About lost my rod. I got it back. Annoying people in crazy conditions. I mean, part 2 coming out either the end of this week or early next week. Probably like Saturday or Sunday this week or early next week. And I mean, yeah. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. Go help my company, Big Boom Baits. Go watch some remelts I've made. I've made some cool colors. I'm still learning. Every subscriber I get helps me, my company, Big Boom Baits. All it helps. So please go subscribe. Help me out. And I will see you all in the next one. Go live the great outdoors. Peace.